Hey guys, it's Michelle. I am back after a long hiatus and I didn't want to just jump in and start creating videos again. So I really wanted to explain why I took time away, especially since I have some new subscribers. Welcome. For starters, some of you may know I have a side business other than just creating YouTube videos. I have my full-time day job, but then I also have my business, The Faithful Living Shop, which offers Christian and hair care related information, planners, tools, spreadsheets, different things to help enrich your life as a Christian naturalista. And it has been a labor of love. It takes me a lot of time to work on my website, to create products, to edit products, to figure out what's working, what's not working. And then on top of that, I have the Faithful Living newsletter. And one thing I don't do is I do not slack up on my newsletter. I have to stay connected to you all. And so I do write my newsletter once a week, but that takes time. It takes planning, it takes intention, and it takes a lot of time away from things like creating videos. I know y'all looking at my hair like, what in the world she got going on? It's wash day. In spite of all of that, I didn't want to drop YouTube completely. I thought that I would at first at one point, but then I realized, no, I need to stay connected. If anything, I'm dropping everything else. So for me, you can find me, obviously, the Faithful Living newsletter. I'm going to leave a link down below where you can subscribe, join I think it's about 1,500 of us right now, maybe. It's just a really enriching resource that I don't share, what I share in the newsletter, like on YouTube or any other social channels. I write articles and I give really impactful and I don't want to use the word targeted. I hate to use that. That doesn't sound right. Practical. I provide practical information that you can implement to care for your hair, to grow your faith spiritually. I am an ordained evangelist also. I do offer resources, and anyway, just go check it out. www.shop. It is www. It is www. Oh no, it is www. Shop that font. I don't know what's wrong with me today. It's www.shop.findnaturalhairandfaith.com. It is really an extension of the blog, the shop is. And I am making some changes. And so that's taken a lot of my time. And to be very honest with you all, I was truly experiencing burnout. Like you would not believe, not sleeping, and just, it was taking a toll on me. And so something had to give. And unfortunately, it was YouTube. So I'm back now. I'm not going to say that I'm going to be creating long videos because I really feel like right now, I'll do some YouTube shorts, but right now I truly believe it's like, let me get you this information. I don't have time for all the extra fluff. You don't have time to watch it and I don't have time. Watch some videos where I'm like, the content is probably pretty good, but I probably didn't get to it because there's too much extra stuff at the beginning. And I just I'm trying to fast forward. Sad that we live in such a microwave society, but this is what it is. Time is money, time is time, and we need to redeem the time. I say all that to say, for the videos that I will be creating, I want you all to know this channel is Find Natural Hair and Faith. So hopefully you're a woman of faith also, because I'm going to be creating a lot more content around faith and around prayer, especially, and living this life as a believer in Jesus Christ. Health of your hair is all good, but your spiritual health is even more important. And I've actually already started creating a lot more content around, Christianity, faith-based topics, over on findnaturalhairandfaith.com. If you go there, you will notice that you may find 4 articles on faith-based topics to every one hair care-based topic. And the reason for that is, like, first of all, there's really nothing new under the sun. I feel like I have given you just about everything that I know about fine natural hair care and, you know, just like hair care topics in general, products, all of that. I've literally poured out of myself to the point where there's not much left to pour out. Hair care videos going forward will be less tips and more just like demonstrations. You probably already know, like, your hair needs moisture, your hair needs protein. I mean, like, how much more can we say about that, right? No, but maybe you want to see it in action. Maybe you want to see demonstrations of like what that's like. For those of you know, I got my hair cut in February and I'm going for another like really good trim in just a few weeks, but my hair has grown in fuller. I've gotten back just pretty much all of the length that she did cut. I mean, you know, it's still kind of shrunken right now, but the good news about that is that I really like the stylist that I found. And so I'm going to go to her twice a year to get my professional trim. That's it. I found that I did not even need to trim my hair between wash days because my ends stayed so neat and nice when she cut it in February. And it's now July. March, April, May, June, July. That's 5 months. So I'm pretty much going to get my hair trimmed every 5 to 6 months. And that will be that. I know I'm such a child sometimes. I really am. So hopefully you can deal with it because this is just me. I don't know if I'm getting this video up before or after Sunday, or before or after Saturday, because this Saturday, my girl Janet Davies here on YouTube, she is the creator of Omenta Natural. She's having a meetup and I will be there. And she's having this like hair growth lab. She is a professional, right? She knows all about how to create a sustainable, healthy hair care product line. Me, I am all about creating the information you need that goes hand in hand with the products. So hopefully I'll see you at her growth lab. I will be joining her, and I just look forward to supporting my sister. She calls me Ma because honestly, I'm old enough to be her mother. In fact, my daughter is the same age as her. Anywho, I'm just calling myself her auntie because, you know, Mom make me feel old. But anyway, and I'm not going to ramble any further because I can. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Hopefully you will like the content that I will be sharing on faith because I really think Jesus is coming soon. All right, thanks for watching.